Are you looking for the best lawn edgers? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best lawn edgers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Worx String Trimmer, the Worx WG16 3.8 GT 3.0 20V PowerShare 12. Cordless string trimmer and edger is a lightweight, versatile 2-in-1 yard tool designed to make trimming and edging effortless. Powered by a 20V PowerShare lithium-ion battery, it offers cordless convenience and compatibility with all other Worx PowerShare tools. The trimmer features a 12-inch cutting diameter for efficient coverage, and with a simple adjustment, it easily converts from a string trimmer to a wheeled edger for precise lawn edges. Its command-feed TEM system allows for instant line feeding at the push of a button, eliminating the need for bumping, while the 90-degree tilting head enables trimming under decks, fences, and slopes. The telescopic shaft and adjustable auxiliary handle provide customizable comfort for users of different heights. Weighing only 5.3 pounds with the battery, the WG16 3.8 is easy to maneuver and reduces fatigue during extended use. The package includes 1 battery, a charger, and access to Worx's free Spools for Life program, making it an excellent low-maintenance choice for homeowners seeking efficiency and precision in lawn care. Number 2, Greenworks 24V Edger, the Greenworks 24V12. Cordless string trimmer edger is a lightweight and efficient 2-in-1 tool designed for easy lawn maintenance. Powered by a 24V 2.0 AH lithium-ion battery and including a charger, it offers cordless convenience and compatibility with other Greenworks 24V tools. The trimmer features a 12-inch cutting width for efficient trimming and a pivoting head that rotates 90 degrees, allowing quick conversion from trimming to edging for clean lawn borders and sidewalks. Its telescopic aluminum shaft and adjustable auxiliary handle provide customizable comfort and balance for users of different heights, while the auto-feed line system ensures continuous operation without manual adjustments. Weighing just around 5 to 6 pounds, it's easy to handle and maneuver, making it ideal for small to medium-sized yards. Combining quiet operation, reliable power, and ergonomic design, the Greenworks 24V Trimmer Edger is a practical choice for homeowners looking for a cordless, low-maintenance solution for everyday yard work. Number 3, Worx WG896 Lawn Edger, the Worx WG896 12. Amp 7.5-inch corded electric. Lawn Edger and Trencher is a powerful and precise tool designed to create clean, professional edges along sidewalks, driveways, and garden beds. Equipped with a 12-amp motor that drives a 7.5-inch serrated steel blade at up to 4,700 RPM, it delivers strong and consistent cutting performance for both edging and light trenching tasks. The tool offers 3 adjustable cutting depths into 1:1 corn and 1:1 heights to suit various applications, while the cutting line indicator ensures straight, accurate lines every time. Its adjustable shaft and ergonomic D-grip handle provide comfortable operation for users of different heights, reducing fatigue during longer jobs. Weighing about 14 pounds, it is easy to maneuver while remaining sturdy and well balanced. As a corded electric tool, it provides unlimited runtime and constant power, making it ideal for homeowners seeking dependable performance without the hassle of batteries or fuel. Combining strength, precision, and user-friendly design, the Worx WG896 is an excellent choice for maintaining sharp, professional-looking lawn edges. Number 4, Wild Badger Power Sidewalk Edger. The Wild Badger Power WB31CE gas Sidewalk Edger is a powerful and efficient lawn tool designed to deliver clean, precise edges along sidewalks, driveways, and lawns. Equipped with a 31cc gas-powered engine that spins the 9.5-inch dual-tooth metal blade at up to 9,800 RPM, it provides the strength and speed needed to handle tough edging tasks quickly and efficiently. The Edger features 5 adjustable cutting depths and 3 cutting height settings, allowing users to customize their edging to different grass and soil conditions. Its ergonomically designed handle ensures comfortable operation even during extended use, and at just 29.8 pounds, it remains lightweight and easy to maneuver without causing fatigue. Built with durable alloy steel construction for longevity, the WB31CCED starts easily, typically within 5 pulls, and runs smoothly for consistent performance. Combining power, precision, and comfort, this gas-powered edger is an excellent choice for homeowners and professionals seeking reliable, high-performance lawn edging. Number 5, VEVOR 9-inch Lawn Edger, The VEVOR 20V cordless lawn edger is a powerful and convenient tool designed to create clean, precise edges along lawns, driveways, and sidewalks. Equipped with a 9-inch high-quality cutting blade and a 20,000 RPM motor, it delivers fast and efficient trimming for various grass types, including Bermuda, St. Augustine, zoysia, fescue, bluegrass, and ryegrass. Powered by a 4000 mAh 20V lithium-ion battery, this cordless edger provides 30 to 40 minutes of runtime per charge, allowing you to tackle large garden areas without frequent recharging. The 3-position adjustable cutting depth lets you choose the ideal blade height for different lawn conditions, whether trimming edges or cutting small trenches. Weighing only 10.8 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to maneuver, while the ergonomic adjustable handle ensures comfort during extended use. With its durable build, strong performance, and user-friendly design, the VEVOR Lawn Edger offers a practical and efficient solution for maintaining neat, professional-looking yard edges.